In this video, I'm now going to demonstrate how to thread a ratchet strap. So we have two components, one part being the actual ratchet and one part being the main actual strap. So we're going to actually take this strap, the endless strap, and put it through the loop of the ratchet. We're going to come around and then go back over top of the loop. We're going to want to pull some slack, especially because this one's a 20-foot strap. And then use the trigger mechanism of the E-fitting clip to get it in. And then we can pull this lever right here over top of the loop and begin ratcheting. Just gotta make sure it's straight. And that's it.